and welcome to another title in our Writing Center video series. Today you will learn everything that you need to know about the process of making an appointment here at the Writing Center. Making an appointment to meet with the Writing Center tutor over Zoom is very simple. Appointment hours are Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., and Friday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You'll need to send an email to wcinfo@qcc.mass.edu. In this email, you'll need to include the following information: your name and student ID number, your professor's name, your course name and section number, a short description of your assignment, and finally, your preferred date and time. You should also include your assignment sheet and rubric in this email if you have any. And there you have it. Once you complete those steps and send your email, we will get back to you as soon as we can, confirming the date and time of your appointment. You will be sent back a Zoom link to the session at your assigned date and time. If you'd rather skip making an appointment, no sweat. We have drop-in hours Monday and Tuesday, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., Wednesday and Thursday, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., and Friday, 2 to 6 p.m. Whether it's by appointment or through the drop-in hours, we hope to see you soon.